Hi viewers, my name is Shahzad. Welcome to our channel Cool Studies. So today onwards we discuss some problems regarding the IOQM exam. So those are writing IOQM exam now. The exam is will conduct September 7th. So the date of exam is September 7th. So approximately 35 to 40 days are left. So in these days we will discuss some problems. It may be help you. So before going to start the problems, Nana, so please subscribe our channel and tell me the questions which are helpful or not. It's helpful means don't forget to like the problem. So let us discuss questions Nana here. Now what is the question given here? How many different quadrupoles? How many different quadrupoles A comma B comma C comma D consisting of four prime numbers that solve the system. So we have to solve this equation. To solve this equation, Nana, is given that A comma B comma C comma D are four prime numbers. We have to find in how many ways, how many values of A, B, C, D we substitute in given equation that LHS and RHS both should be equal. So for that he given hint as A, B, C, D is equal to 330. Once again question repeat none here. So question is given that how many quadrupoles? How many quadrupoles A comma B comma C comma D consisting of four prime numbers that solve the system. ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఎన్ని క్వాడ్రపుల్స్ కావాలి అని అన్నాను. సో క్వశ్చన్ అగైన్ గివెన్ హింట్ హియర్. These four numbers are prime numbers. Four numbers are prime numbers. That is A, B, C, D are prime numbers. Let us take 330. I am writing 330 here. 2 into what we can write 3 into 5 into 11. That is equal. If observe that 2 3s 6, 6 5s 30. 30 into 11. So what we get? 30 into 11. Again what we get? 330. So I am writing 330 as product of four prime numbers. 330 ni manam prime numbers ekka multiples rasar. Any prime numbers ikkada? Four prime numbers. Now let us take some value. I am considering none here. If A is equal to 11, I am considering that A is 11. I am considering that A is 11 and B values are here. B comma C comma D. I am considering that 2 comma 3 comma 5. A place lo 11 rasi, B C D place lo 2 3 5 rasi. Let us substitute these values in given equation. If you get answer 7, we can conclude that A is 11 and B, C, D are 2 3 5. I hope you understand here. If unna 4 prime numbers lo A ni manam 11 ga తీసుకున్నాం. A ni 11 ga ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం? Not only 11, we can take 2, either 3 or 5. Let us check one by one value. I am taking here A as 11. Let us substitute in that A is 11. So 11 square minus 3 of B square, 2 square, next 3 square, next 5 square. 11 square value 121 minus 3 of 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 5 square 25. Let us check now what we get. 121 minus 3 into 25 plus 9. So what we get? 34. 34 plus 4, 38. So 3 into 38. 3 into 38. 121 minus 3 8s 24. 3 3s 9. 9 plus 2 11. 114. So what we got final answer? 7. So you observe that we got RHS. We got answer and 7, right? That means what you are taking the values. అంటే ఏ వాల్యూ అనేది 11 ఖచ్చితంగా తీసుకోవచ్చు. This statement is true, right? A అనేది 11 అయింది. Then what about B, C, D? B ప్లస్ లో 3 అని తీసుకోవచ్చు, B ప్లస్ లో 5 అని తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. Question asking here, how many quadruples are possible to solve the system equation here? So if observe on here, ఈ 3 numbers ని ఎన్ని విధాలుగా B కి, C కి, D కి అప్లై చేయవచ్చు. Let us apply on here permutation combination. If observe that here are 3 elements are there. In permutations on here, if you have n things are there, now there are n things unte, we can arrange it as a n factorial ways. Now there are n things unte, n factorial ways to arrange chesukovachu. Now having here 3 things are there, so we can arrange 3 factorial ways. So 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. So what do you get answer? 6. Right? 6 into 1, 6. Total, there are 6 ways are possible. How many different quadruples are here? 6 different quadruples. Suppose you are having a doubt. Why you are taking only A as 11? If you take 2, 3, 5, nana, the equation may not be satisfied. Only for A as 11, the system of equation is satisfied. That's why I consider that A as a 11 here. I hope you understand the question. So final answer is here 6 different quadruples that satisfies the given equation. Still, if you are having doubt in the question, Nana, tell me your doubts in the comment section.